Here's one of our aging chambers. After we produced all the equipment, it will be put in an aging room for aging. Here too. This is also for me to give you a brief look. This row here is our code. It's in code and mode in code modulator, and then there are some various combinations. It's all in here. Take a look. It's 41 degrees centigrade. This issue is ours. The internal structure of the device, you can take a look. And then we have the satellite receiver, satellite gateway, IP camera, ISDB, DVB, leverage 7 DVB, CATSC, North American, South American, European, African, and other standards. Of course, we also have IPTV. This is 24 HD encoder, 16 encoders. These are all. We also have ESTO modulators, IRD, receiver, oscillator. Look at this. Here, this row is our estimate satellite uplink, Shaanxi Station, Earth Station. This fossil is the largest fossil in Asia. Why do we make this old fossil? Because after our equipment is produced, electronics have to age. We generally export to more than 190 countries and regions around the world. These devices must be aged in an aging room for more than a month before shipment. Take a look here. Here we have engineers aging all the time. To test, engineers are all in their posts. Here is our IPTV server. IPTV can check all kinds of ink groups. This is an engineer's workstation. So our equipment, the quality of our equipment can be fully guaranteed. There are various others like this one. Take a look at the modular. It's a modular thruster, right? See, no, many kinds of devices can be plugged in. Here is our IPTV7. It can support 2,000, 3,500, 100, 350 different users. This is also our tune, various modulators. Here is our IP2 analog modulator. This is our latest model with a 1-inch screen. Of course, in addition to high and low temperature aging, we also have a hypothermic agent. We come to this room and we can take a look. This room is cryogenic. In here, after a high temperature aging, put it in here for cooling at minus tens of degrees. Low temperature. This is called low temperature. So we all do high and low temperature tests. This is our main equipment. Welcome to consult and understand.